Hello and welcome to our morning stretch. Please grab a mat and a pillow or a block and let's go ahead and start. Feel free to sit in a cross-legged position and with the breath in, collect the energy in the arms above your head. Bring them down to your heart center and gently bow, setting the intention for today's practice, dedicating this time to yourself and your body. And we'll go ahead with some gentle head rolls, just waking up and already now connecting to our breath. With the breath out, go down. With the breath in, arch up and down. Breath out, up, breath in, out and in. And we're going to go ahead and reverse and breathe out, down, breathe out. Find a nice juicy neck moving from side to side, listening how it echoes in your chest very gently, allowing your body to wake up with its time it needs. And just stay there. Maybe touch your chest with your chin. And with another breath in, bring your arms above your head. Interlace your fingers and find a nice stretch towards the ceiling. Expand the space between your ribs, taking them further away from your hips. Place your palms behind your head and on the breath out, go forward. Breathe in and find a nice arch. Breathe out, go forward, finding that range in your spine. Breathe in, open that chest, and out, find a bigger curve. And breathe in and out. Breathe in even more space. Pull the elbows further away. And last one. Starting half circles to your right, breathe in. Breathe out, come back to the middle. And to the left, breathe in, open your shoulders. And breathe out, come back to the middle. And again, to your right and center, to your left. And come back to center. Enjoy the weight of your arms helping to find a stretch in your head. And slowly bring it up again with a breath in. Interlace your fingers again. Find even more stretch. And just find gentle circles to your right. With your whole, checking your whole range in your ribs. Testing that open chest. Almost like describing circles above and reverse. Yeah, almost like we're painting something around with our wrists. And breathe out. Place your arms on the ground and you can stay here or rotate, bringing your heels of your hands forward. And we're going to go ahead for the arch. Breathe in and breathe out. Nice curve. And now bring the attention from your tailbone to the crown of your head, finding a big range of your spine, of the full spine working into the arch and full spine going into the curve. And arch with your breath in and curve with the breath out. And just go ahead and extend your arms going forward to the stretch. If that feels comfortable, you can go and take your block away, or you can keep going there. And you can just stay where it's comfortable, maybe with your elbows bent, listening to the length of your spine coming from your tailbone all the way to the crown of your head. Maybe release some tension in your neck. And if you feel up for it, go ahead and move a little bit further Allow your forehead to rest on the floor, or optional to place a block under your forehead if that feels good. And again, listen to the long spine. And move to your right side. Again, you can go ahead and be on your straight arms or on your elbows or all the way down, whatever feels nice. The only thing we want to bring attention here is to keep our shoulders leveled. Especially here, listen to your armpit of your left arm, bringing it closer to the ground. And go ahead and come back to the center. And slowly move to your left side and enjoy the stretch there. Again, you can allow yourself to be on your elbows if that feels good and enough. Yeah, just make sure you keep releasing the unnecessary tension in your neck, or stay all the way up. Each day is different, so allow yourself to listen to what your body needs for today. And you can also go ahead and step by step, gradually find a longer extension. And find your way back to the middle. And walk your arms up, helping your spine to recover all the way to your center. And let's go ahead and stretch our legs forward, and we're going to just wake up our flesh, going from the outside, breathe out, and inside, bring the energy, start the energy flow, yeah, on the inside, in, and outside, breathe out, and inside, pull the energy in, and outside, clean it, wash it off, and out. And we're going to go ahead and speed up a little bit, and breathe out. And that's it. And just to wake up the back of our body, yeah, go ahead and find your knees bend, heels parallel to the ground, toes parallel to each other, and just you can listen to how high you want to bring your pelvis, and if you want to let go in your neck and arch, or not. And we're just gonna go up, bringing our pelvis up and down, yeah, and feel free to touch the ground with your pelvis or not, and arch, open that chest, and gently bring your pelvis down. One more. Find a nice openness in your chest and slowly go back down. And gently we're going to go ahead and transition to our half stretch, to placing one right heel close to your pubic bone and keep your left leg open. And we're going to go ahead for a side stretch here. And you can rest your left arm on your shin, and if that's enough, you can just stay there and breathe. Or you can go ahead and find your arm open. Yeah, if you have any tension in your neck, feel free to look down. If you can go a little bit further, yeah, feel free to go ahead and bend a little further, grabbing your big toe of your feet. And with a breath in, open your chest, and the breath out, go down, and breathe in and down, and check your range of motion, yeah, depending where you are. Breathe in, just listen to the breath, and out, and breathe in, open your chest, and breathe out, go a little further. It's our last one. And just slowly bring your spine vertically and switch your legs, bringing your left heel to your pubic bone Yeah, finding a comfortable position on your sit bone, listening to the length of your spine and ribs in, and gently sliding on your leg. Yeah, you can stay there, holding your shin. Yeah, let go of any tension in your chest, and feel free to just open your arms so you can listen to the connection of your arm from one finger to the other. And if you feel good, go ahead and go a little bit further, and from there just breathe in and open that chest, and breathe out, come back down further, and breathe in and breathe out, listening to your ribs lengthening. And last one, breathe in, open that chest, breathe out, go a little further, and slowly walk your chest up. And we're going to activate the back of our legs a little bit. Yeah, just sit on your heels, and we're going to do a very gentle motion by grabbing the back of our glutes, yeah, our ass, and letting it lift behind you. Yeah, just lift and let go, and lift and let go, lift and let go. Also a really good exercise if you could actually engage your pubic bone, like pelvic floor, pull it up and hold it, and maybe a little bit higher, and a few more like that, a little bit higher. Yeah, you can lift it up off your heels. Keep engaging that pelvic floor up, and let go, and up, and release. And we're gonna finish, not yet, we're just gonna go ahead for a child pose. And before we finish, we will just do a few gentle twists. I want to introduce a nice stretch for our shoulder blades, yeah, our chest opener. And go ahead and you can stay here in your child's pose and stay here for a while, or elevate your wrists to find more length in your spine. Or another option will be to grab a block to place under our elbows and find a little bit deeper stretch here, preparing for a happy puppy pose. So go ahead and grab your block, place your elbows on it, maybe see if you need to slide it a little bit further away from you. Yeah, and listen how your armpits can go a little bit further, closer to the ground. Yeah, creating a little bit more space for you to go to stretch. Arms in the prayer position, opening up, listening to what happens in your scapulas. Nice stretch there. And slowly release. And we're gonna finish up with a really gentle twist here. Yeah. Find your long spine and place right arm in front and left behind you. And I find a nice twist. You can also place your right arm on your knee if that feels good. And keep gaze back. Or if that feels too much for your neck, yeah, you can look forward and unwind. I'm going to demonstrate on the other side exactly what to do with our neck. Yeah, left arm forward, right arm back. And you can feel free and place your arm on your elbow or on your knee, or keep it where it was. And take your head with you to look further behind you, or keep staying looking forward. Yes, if your neck doesn't feel up for it. Yeah, just shake it off. Yeah, wiggle your spine to find a nice verticality. And with a breath in, collect the energy around you. Bring your palms to a prayer position to your heart chakra. Thank yourself for taking this time to wake up your body. Thank your mind for staying calm and present in your creativity and the life force to be there for you, with you. Namaste. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.